7 Best Passive Income Ideas You Can Start Today with No or Little Money. There are several definitions of passive income, often known as residual income. Passive income is defined in this video as regular revenue that takes little to no effort to retain. Passive income is defined as recurring earnings from a source other than an employer or contractor. Speaking from my experience, adding passive income streams to your portfolio can help you significantly improve your profits and expedite your financial goals. For example, you may employ passive income sources to help you get out of debt or reach financial independence sooner. You're trapped behind a desk from 9 to 5. You don't want to go, but you have to since you have debts to pay. Trying to earn a living while not actually living. Every day, you conduct research on passive income and how to generate money online without investing any money. Is this about right? I've been there before. The good news is that it is possible to generate passive income with no prior investment. The bad news is that it will take time and you will need to be patient. But I do want you to know that it is possible to do so. This video will walk you through 7 simple methods for making passive income with no money. These passive income ideas may be grown up into job-replacing businesses, even if you don't have a lot of funds to invest. Here's how to make passive income with no money. If you want to give it a try, I personally earn a passive income from number 3 and 4 on the list. 1. Start a dropshipping store. Even if you don't have a lot of cash flow, dropshipping is one of the greatest methods to start generating money from wherever you are. Some dropshippers claim to make over $100,000 each year. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scam, although it does need some initial time investment. This business concept entails setting up an online store where clients can explore and purchase goods. The benefit of dropshipping is that you don't have to physically inspect the items you're selling. When you employ dropshipping, your supplier handles everything from manufacturing to packing to fulfillment. There's also a less monetary risk because you don't have to send money to your supplier until your consumers pay. You may make a good living while learning how to manage an e-commerce business if you select the right product and price it correctly. If you are interested to learn more about how to create a wildly profitable e-commerce store that makes you passive income, I have provided a link in the video description. 2. Start a blog. Starting a blog is by far the most effective way to get passive income without investing any money. Not only can you make money from your blog, but it's also the ideal vehicle for promoting your other techniques. Before you can monetize your blog in any form, you must first create a following. This entails writing excellent blog content that attracts organic Google and other search engine traffic. A great blog with great content may attract a lot of search engine visitors. One might generate passive income by placing advertisements on their blog. This is one of the numerous ways that many blogs make hundreds of dollars per day. Google AdSense is the most widely used ad network for monetizing blogs. 3. Affiliate marketing. The act of suggesting a product or service to a target audience is known as affiliate marketing. Because you get a commission every time someone uses your referral link to purchase the recommended goods or service, it's a fantastic source of passive income. It's also a rapidly expanding industry. The affiliate marketing sector is expected to grow to $8.2 billion by 2022, according to statistics. An affiliate program is completely free to join. Without any prior financial commitment, you may sell proven earnings. You'll just be in charge of the marketing. Product development and order fulfillment will be handled by the brand. Typically, affiliate marketers do not employ additional staff. While your prior work earns money in the background, you may introduce new products to an audience and build campaigns. Making money with affiliate marketing may be a beneficial method to diversify your cash streams. It only takes a few hours of your time. Once you've put in the time, you'll be able to reap the benefits indefinitely. If you are interested in learning about affiliate marketing, I have provided a link to an affiliate marketing video course in the video description. 4. Start a YouTube channel. This is my personal favorite strategy of making a passive income with no money. Because a YouTube channel is essentially a video version of a blog. It's the second most key technique. It may monetize itself through advertising and promote your other bootstrap passive income techniques. The first stage, much like with a blog, is to establish an audience by engaging them with amazing video content. Many individuals, including me, have done it without spending any money, and you can do it as well. YouTube is an ideal video platform for Google AdSense because it is controlled by Google. You must apply for the YouTube Partner Program in order to put advertisements on your videos. To get accepted, you'll need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of public watch hours. Every month, many YouTubers earn hundreds of dollars in ad money. Matt Parr makes 6 figures income from his 9 different YouTube channels each month without ever appearing on camera. He now teaches others how he did it. If you are willing to learn from him, I have provided a link for that as well in the video description. 5. Sell handmade goods. It's never been a better time to sell things on the internet. With over 4.6 billion people online, the potential for growth and scaling an online business is enormous. There are hundreds of online marketplaces where you may sell your items. Some specialize in certain areas, such as video games or handcrafted items, while others allow you to sell everything you choose. Some of the most prominent online selling sites are Amazon, eBay, Ruby Lane, Handshake, and AliExpress. The initial investment is split into 2 parts. To manufacture and sell DIY things like pottery or apparel, you'll need to spend on supplies and time. You'll also need to set up an internet store to sell your goods. Selling from your own store lowers your transaction fees and allows you to establish a personal brand. As you grow your audience and engage with new customers, the benefits of establishing a brand compound. It will assist you in selling more and earning money online over time. 6. Write an ebook. While having a blog and monetizing, it is an excellent way to generate passive income. Producing a book or ebook is much better because you only have to write it once. Rather than creating a blog, spend some time sharing your creativity or specialized expertise by writing and selling a book or ebook. You'll collect royalties every time someone buys a copy, which might quickly add up if you hit the right target. The royalties on a printed book usually range from 5 to 20% of the book's price. Ebooks are much more profitable, with a profit margin of roughly 25%. Royalties for audiobooks are normally between 10% and 25%. To make a living as a writer, you must first publish a fantastic book. A few sales, on the other hand, might help you earn the extra cash you need for a planned holiday or to get closer to your early retirement objectives. 7. Sell stock photos. If you constantly carry a camera with you and are renowned for taking beautiful shots, you may make money from your passion by selling your photos to stock photography companies. With them, you'll get a cut of the earnings if someone buys your photograph through a third-party site. The most well-known firms are the ideal to sell your photographs. Try Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Alamy, and other similar sites. Even if you simply have a smartphone, numerous stock image companies will buy good quality photos taken with it, so expensive equipment isn't required for this passive income concept. Once you've found the right passive income source that suits your lifestyle, abilities, and hobbies, it's critical not to become comfortable with your additional earnings. Make every cent work for you by depositing your earnings into a high-interest bank and allowing them to continue to work regardless of what you're doing. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.